slave nature in particular, with a view to practical results. I and many of them attained astonishing proficiency in this direction. They had to deal not with earth, wood, and stone, but with men, and by every regard they had for their own safety and prosperity, they needed to know that the material on which they were to work, conscious of the unjust and wrong, they were every hour perpetuating and knowing that they themselves would do. Were they victims of such wrongs? They were constantly looking for the first signs of the dreaded retribution. They watched, therefore, with skilled and practiced eyes and learned to read with great accuracy the state of mind and heart of the slave through his state. Gotta redo that one. Okay, damn, I lost my place.